Kayangan Lake is a popular tourist destination located on Coron Island in the province of Palawan, Philippines. It is often hailed as one of the cleanest lakes in Asia and is renowned for its crystal-clear turquoise waters surrounded by towering limestone cliffs and lush greenery. To reach Kayangan Lake, visitors typically need to embark on a short hike up a steep trail, offering stunning panoramic views of Coron's breathtaking landscapes along the way. The lake itself is nestled within a hollow in the limestone cliffs, providing a serene and picturesque environment for swimming, snorkeling, and simply enjoying the natural beauty. The lake is also culturally significant to the indigenous Tagbanoa people, who consider it a sacred site. Visitors are encouraged to respect the local customs and traditions when visiting Kayangan Lake and to help preserve its pristine ecosystem by adhering to responsible tourism practices. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications for more videos like this.